Hello everybody, and today we're cooking apple and cinnamon pie. For that we need apples, eggs, baking powder, sugar, flour, cinnamon, and salt. Grab an apple and start peeling it from its peel. Now we need to cut the apples. You could use a knife, but I used a special apple cutter. Once we finish with the apples, we can put that aside and grab the bowl for the mixture. Then we grab the eggs and we put the sugar and then we grab the mixer. Now we start mixing the eggs with the sugar. Now we add the flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we close that and we start mixing again. And add a pinch of salt. Put 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1. And then 2. Now we mix again. Okay, now we're done mixing this. We grab a tablespoon, and sweep all of this into the bowl so we don't miss anything. Everything out, like this. And then, we will put this away and grab the apples and pour them in. Now we mix it all together. Okay, once we're done mixing this, we grab a pan or like something that you'll cook on, and then grab butter and rub it onto this. Also rub these walls just so it does not burn. Now we grab the mixture and pour it in. We spread it around, spread the mixture like this. And now we open the oven and put it in the oven we're gonna take out the apple pie. Gonna cut the apple pie. Be careful because it's hot. Cut it all from the sides. We're gonna take the slice. And now it's on the plate. And now I'm gonna try it. Hot.
So good.